Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand cloud computing in a very simple and beginner friendly way. In this video, we will cover what is cloud computing, how companies worked before cloud, types of cloud computing, service models, and the major benefit of cloud technology. So let's start. What is cloud computing? First of all, let's understand what cloud computing actually means. Cloud computing means using computing services like server, storage, databases, networking, and software through the internet instead of managing everything physically on our own systems. In a simple words, businesses can use technology resources online whenever they need them. We can understand by the example of electricity. We do not build or own power plants to use electricity at home. We simply use electricity whenever we need it and pay for what we use. Cloud computing works in a same manner. Instead of purchasing expensive servers, companies rent computing resources from cloud providers. Major cloud providers available: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Before cloud computing, now let's understand how companies worked before cloud computing. Earlier, companies had to purchase physical servers and build their own infrastructure. This process was extremely expensive because organizations had to invest huge amounts of money even before launching applications. Another major problem was scaling. If website traffic increased, companies had to buy new hardware manually. This process could take weeks or even months. Downtime was also a serious challenge. If a server failed, application and websites could stop working completely. Recovering from failures was difficult because there were limited backup systems and no automatic failure mechanisms. Deployment was also a very slow. Launching a new application required planning, installation, networking setup, and manual configuration. Overall, traditional infrastructure management was costly, slow, and difficult to maintain. Cloud computing solved many of these problems by providing flexible and on demand resources. So, now types of cloud. We have three types of cloud: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. We understand public cloud. In a public cloud, resources are shared and managed by third party providers like AWS. This model is cost effective and commonly used by startups and businesses. And second type is private cloud. In a private cloud, infrastructure is dedicated to only one organization. This provides greater control and security. Private cloud is mostly used by banks, healthcare organizations, and government sector, where data security is very important. Third type of cloud is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud combines both public and private cloud environments. Sensitive data is stored in private cloud and scalable workloads use public cloud resources. So this approach provides both flexibility and security. So now service models. We have three types of service model: infrastructure as a service model, and platform as a service model, and software as a service model. So we can understand infrastructure as a service model. In this model, cloud providers offer infrastructure such as server, storage, and networking. Users manage operating system and application themselves. A common example is AWS EC2 machine. And we can compare infrastructure as a service model to renting an empty environment apartment where the structure is ready but everything inside is managed by us. The second model is platform as a service model. Here the cloud provider also manage the platform and development environment. Developers only focus on writing or deploying application. An example we can take on Google App Engine. And third is software as a service model. In this service model, ready-to-use software is delivered through the internet. Example we taken Gmail, Netflix, Zoom, Google Docs, these type of. This is like ordering food online where everything is already prepared and ready to use. These service models make technology easier, faster, and more efficient. Now, key benefits. Now let's look at the major benefit of cloud computing. The first benefit is scalability. Cloud computing allows businesses to increase and decrease resources instantly according to demand. Second benefit is cost optimization. Business do not need to purchase expensive hardware. They only pay for the services they actually use. Third benefit is global access. Application can be deployed worldwide within minutes. Users from different countries can access services with better speed and reliability. The fourth benefit is the security and backups. Cloud providers offer automatic backups, encryption, monitoring, and disaster recovery features. This improves data protection and business continuity. Because of these advantages, cloud computing is widely used across industries today. Now, to conclude, cloud computing has completely transformed the way business use technologies. It provides flexibility, availability, scalability, cost saving, faster deployments, and better security. Today, cloud computing is not just a technology trend. It has been demanded foundation of modern digital innovation. As the technology continues to grow, cloud computing will play an even bigger role in the future. Thank you everyone for watching and listening to me.